Hello, and thank you for partnering with Canoo. Together, we welcome newcomers and their families into your spaces. In this video, you will be shown how to check in a Canoo member to provide them with complimentary or discounted admission. Every Canoo member gets a different discount depending on how long they've been with the Canoo program. Each member can be accompanied by up to 4 children under the age of 18 who are eligible for the same discount. So, how does a Canoo member check in with you? When a Canoo member visits your site, they will let you know that they're a member of the program. Please instruct them to open the Canoo app and click the yellow check-in button at the bottom of their screen. They will be prompted to either scan your Canoo QR code or type your Canoo 4-digit PIN. This has been provided to you by your Canoo representative. Please share your preferred method with the Canoo member. Canoo members will then select the number of accompanying children, and the app will generate their digital check-in pass. This pass verifies that they are eligible for either complimentary or discounted admission. Please ask them to show you their screen. Their pass will indicate the applicable discount for them and any accompanying children. On the member's pass, look for the displayed percentage discount and number of children. If there are any customized instructions for your site, they will be displayed at the bottom of the pass. Apply the discount on your point of sale system and provide admission to the member and any accompanying children. You can optionally verify that the name displayed on the pass matches their photo ID. And that's how to check in a Canoo member. Thank you again for partnering with us and welcoming newcomers. For more information or troubleshooting an admission, please refer to the Canoo manual provided to you by your Canoo representative or at canoo.ca/manual. You can also write us at partnerships@canoo.ca.